Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and now watching a 4-star resort. In this resort, 4 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this resort, you can go to agoda.com. Its rating is 7.4. Check-in time in this resort is 3 p.m. and check-out time of this resort is 3 p.m. If you have stayed in this resort, you can share your experiences via comment. For booking or get more details about this resort, please check description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this resort, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then you must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos of our upcoming resort. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you meet again in any video with a new resort.